Welcome back to the channel, guys. Tonight on the bench I've got the Fayee FY003-1. So for no apparent reason I thought I'd just decide to take it apart because I like to do that kind of thing. So I made a pretty interesting discovery once I'd got the shell off and got down to electronics. So I've already undone the screws, so I'll take the shell off now. We remove that out of the way. So you can see here, this is where the stock servo, which is 5-wire, plugs in there. So I was having a look at the board. I thought this here, there's 3 pins here. I thought that looks like somewhere where a 3-wire servo could plug in. So I've put a WPL servo in the front here. I've plugged this in just here, like so. So that definitely fits. And all we need to do now is connect some power. Like that. And there we go. A fully proportional 3-wire servo on the stock Fayee board. So that's a bit of an interesting discovery, and it takes away the I say the only toy grade part of the Fayee, which is the 5-wire servo. It takes that away, and you've got your hobby grade 3-wire servo in there. So just a little interesting discovery from me tonight. If you like the video, give me a like and subscribe, and put any suggestions down in the comments for future videos.